So now let's spend a little time drill into the key area of our 5 driving tenets, our customer-first mindset. And for this section, I've invited Muzz Sangarwala, who heads our customer service excellence team, to join us today. Welcome, Muzz.
Thanks, Steve. Thanks for having me.
So, Muzz, you've been with us now at Oracle about a year and a half, 18 months, have a lot of background in terms of service excellence, now managing support, CSMs, really a collection in the development organization, unified org. But tell us what brought you to Oracle.
Customer expectations have fundamentally shifted. Customers are asking for and needing our help on their journey from the moment they make a decision on a solution to how they get value. So this has many implications within a company. Implications on development in how they build the product for adoption and usability, operations for how they drive predictive mitigation on issues that pop up, support in how they become much more proactive and provide a more continuous engagement model, and customer success, which is really focused on how does the customer getting value. The fact that Oracle brought all of these functions together within one function, aligned on core metrics and goals so that there's a common North Star, was huge. I just couldn't pass up the opportunity.
Now, we talk a lot about the speed of change, speed of change technology-wise, speed of change from business process, and in you trying to set the bar, really set the standard for customer service across the industry. Tell us, how are we helping customers stay ahead of that change and anticipate and prepare for the disruption that we know is coming?
I think it's important to take a step back and first start with how should we be designing service excellence? Like, what are the designing principles? And to do that, we have to put ourselves into our customer's shoes. If you're the customer and you're in this application, don't make me leave this screen or application if there's a simple thing that I need to do. If you do have to leave that screen or application, surface useful content quickly and easily, meaning have self-service content which allows me to answer this question. If I do have to talk to somebody at Oracle, get me to the right person as fast as possible and shield me from all of the ways you actually will manage the issue behind the scenes. And then for that continuity of experience, which is moving away from that transactional model, which is help me with what other things I should be considering once you've solved my problem or addressed my issue. So how we've thought about this is to really think strategically in the following way. Can we deliver a digital first, followed by high value people-based interaction mindset? What does digital first mean? It means that the product is getting better and better at helping the customer not only use the product in the right way, but recommend other areas they should be focusing. Now, this could be within the product or the digital assets around the product. Think your help or our community as examples. Could be in automation that didn't exist before that exists now. As an example, we've got automation built out where we start looking for indications around what the customer is seeing in their environment so that we can flag issues before the customer sees them and proactively reach out. Then when we start looking at performance or operational issues, this notion of technical support, how do we evolve that to be true DevSecOps? Meaning we deliver by using monitoring and telemetry, true proactive outreach, true proactive and predictive mitigation. Examples of this include business process monitoring. When you're running payroll or you're actually closing your books, we've got automation now behind the scenes which monitors that client's environment and automatically triggers alerts and or severity 1 tickets to the right teams if any issues are seen. And then finally, that success mindset where we can take a conversation with the client not just about what they're using, but also are they using it to recommended best practice? How are others in the industry using this? What other things should you be considering to get more value out of the product? So this strategic mindset actually is a confluence of a number of different teams coming together. Development for that digital first approach, our operations and support teams for our tech support becoming DevSecOps, and our success teams around the world to help our customers on that overall journey. Now, I have a question for you, Steve. One of the things that our customers really are looking for help on is, how do I get started in the cloud? Can you talk to us a little bit about the Oracle SOAR offering that we launched a few years ago?
Sure. Well, so SOAR was an offering of utilities and business practice that our consulting organization can give a customer a pre-packaged view of how we get them to the Oracle Cloud, either in a whole all of their parts, or in particular product line or product area at a time. And now where we've evolved that is to, you not only have it for Oracle products, but you have it for any third party, because those same utilities, the same process to move to the cloud is really part of the SOAR package. And in addition to that, we've shared the best practices and we've shared the utilities to our other implementation partners. So our other implementation partners now offer their flavor of SOAR, if you will, to best help our customers today from JD Edwards, PeopleSoft, Siebel, and the eBusiness Suite, and also non-Oracle customers move to the Oracle Cloud for that customer centricity benefits that you just talked about.
Excellent. Thanks, Steve.
Great. Thank you, Mus.